5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Koni Malaji. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for returning, and if you are new, I'd like to say thank you for tuning in and you are welcome to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to do a short tutorial of me doing my eyebrows. So yes guys, stay tuned, and if you didn't subscribe, I don't know what to excuse. Just subscribe and join this family. Thank you and stay tuned.
Even if you had to leave me, I'd always be waiting here. Even when we are apart, I will keep you in my heart. Wouldn't change a thing, even if I were the king.
So firstly, I'm going to use this concealer to conceal my brows. So the technique is I conceal my brows before I draw them in. So let's see how that works out. I know normal people normally do it, you draw them first and then they conceal them, but I'm gonna do it the opposite way and show you how I get them done.
In my heart, hold the world at bay, just to see you smile again. And when time begins to fade, I will love you just the same, and I wouldn't change it if I were the king.
you enjoyed this video, and you will try it on you and see if it works out for you. But this is how I achieve mine, and I love them so far.